Alright, I got two fans to show you here in my kitchen. First would be this Nutone exhaust fan in the range hood. Very powerful fan, much better than any modern range hood or anything. So here's that running. It's very quiet too, but that might just because it's all the way up in the attic, the actual fan. But you can definitely feel the air moving. Let me just show you what's up in there. I need to clean this thing off with a degreaser. Okay. I don't know how much you can see up there, but there it is. Okay, so there's that one. Then let me flip my camera around on my thing here. You can see my shirt on our kitchen floor. And then I will show you this Jenn Aire cooktop fan also. And that is actually underneath it. The thing here. Whoops. Just a second. Let me turn on the light. Fans under there. And that vents out on the roof as well as the Nutone. And it's got a squirrel cage blower in there. You can see it's still spinning. It's got a good long spin down time. But now it stopped. So that was in there. Those are just the two exhaust fans here in the kitchen. So I figured I'd show them to you. And then I'm making rice in this pot there, so two birds, you know. But anyway, there you go.